Hey guys, Corey Ballard, Ballard Products here with Brian, the man. Gonna be reading some fun stuff. So what are you thinking?
Kaz came up with this idea. I said absolutely. I love reading these kind of comments. And you know what? That's fine. You know, the internet, man, it's a wild place out there.
It is.
It's a double-edged sword, man. Sometimes it's good, sometimes a little interesting. So I think we got some mean tweets today.
So we're gonna be reading some stuff. We're gonna try to keep it above board, but you guys send us between all the Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. We get unfortunately you get a little bit of hate and you get some crazy comments. So we're gonna read some of them today.
You get hate?
I get a lot of hate.
I get hate.
I get a lot of hate, but some of them are really mean too. But that's okay. We'll you take the good and the bad, but we don't know what they are. So Kaz pulled some things that have been posted on some of our platforms, and we're gonna read them today, and I guess see what happens.
Yeah.
We don't know what they are, so
We really honestly don't. I'm excited about it. By the way, you don't always have to leave mean comments. You can always say something nice out there on the internet.
I always say too, like if you don't want to buy anything from us, you just can keep scrolling.
Yeah, and if you don't like my videos, don't worry, I don't either. You know. So I gotta read up here?
Yeah.
I shit in my customers' bushes and charge for fertilization. Does Brian's Law Maintenance do that too? No. I mean, what does that even mean? How do you, so that, I don't even know what this means. Like, did somebody intelligible write this?
Well, we don't want to use their name, but apparently they somebody shit in their bushes and they want to charge for fertilization. So do you charge them? Is that an extra charge? Is that an add-on?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like if I pee in a bush, I mean, they're lucky I don't charge for my time and my labor. You know what I mean?
That's billable?
That's billable time.
Okay.
And materials. I mean, you know how much the cost of urea is up 15% this year. Go look at the fertilizer prices.
I bought the Brian Fuller Ballard blades and they don't even fit with the mad red face. So I don't know if that means our blades are or they're beating on Brian a little bit, but
well, that's clever wordplay. First off,
that
so
is pretty
they get
good.
a +1. So I'll like that.
We'll give that the red face, but
Yeah.
we also do have a large thing right when you order blades that shows you exactly how to measure your blades, length, center hole, and width. So I apologize that the blades didn't fit, but just follow the instructions.
How do you order the wrong product and then blame you?
I don't know. I guess they're mad at you and me.
Hey, at least they're spelling my first name right. Half the time people write brain. I'm
Well,
like,
brain's not bad. That means you're super smart.
my own wife texts and types brain. I'm like, it literally shows the emoji brain. I'm like, and you still hit send? And she goes, yeah, I'm just lazy. I don't want to correct it.
Yeah, one time a guy called me a tool, and I said, well, I'm pretty universal. I'm like the Swiss Army knife of tools, man. I'm just
Very
super universal.
Yeah. And you can fit in a pocket because you're small.
Well, I take all the steroids.
You're the multi-tool, you know? I don't know.
Oh, this is good. Can you say that? I think you can.
Hey, Brian, F you and your pole barn from Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy. Listen, bud. Listen, Jimmy. You know what? I love you, Jimmy, and you're a good person out there. And I think you're just misguided with this hate, okay? I don't know why you're hating on me. Like, what they say once, like, hurting people hurt people. Okay, Jimmy, if that is your real name. By the way, Jimmy, where's your address? Jimmy, why don't you have a real avatar on your comments? And why don't you show your photo of your face? And by the way, what are you doing, Jimmy? What are you doing? I'm just kidding. Jimmy, I love you. You're a great person, I'm sure. And hope to high five you at GIA. By the way, you're probably right. So, F me and my pole barn.
I hope you get that pole barn built. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, I'm
excited.
gonna put a sign on the side that says for Jimmy K. Okay, Jimmy. This is for Jimmy K. We'll make a little brick in the little corner part for him.
I'm excited about your pole barn.
Yeah, I like my pole barn. I've been working 15 years for a pole barn. Jimmy. That is your real name.
Hey Corey, I bought some X blades, so you should be able to afford some shirts that fit now. Well, I can. We're back to the shirt thing. Man, you guys are. I don't know what. I get a lot of comments about my shoes and my shirts, and occasionally a watch comment like, "Hey, what kind of watch is that?" Well,
It's a tag.
it is what it is.
Fossil.
But I'm looking for a swatch soon, maybe interchangeable face. But I can't afford shirts that fit, and maybe that's why it is what it is.
Just like the guy that was talking about the lawnmower blade sizing, like you need a correct shirt sizing. So, Kaz, can we have like a schmedium, or a children's large or an adult small? Which is it?
I'm in between. I'm in between. But I do get a lot of comments on that. So I just
See, Corey,
I just go to the gym a lot, guys. It's my therapy.
So Corey, he knows how to order products, right? He knows how to manufacture these things, right, Kaz? So he gets the shirt made normal, but he shrinks the sleeves.
Yeah, that's the key.
So it's
a lot of high heat.
It's a medium shirt, but it's a small sleeve. It's a custom. Is this true?
Yeah, it is true.
That's my. They call me. The comments of me being the little pooch, the gobbler, you know.
Double chin.
I'm like, look. When I was broke, I was thin, but you know, make a couple bucks, you start eating a little bit better food. Okay, what's wrong with that, right? And so this right here, they used to say like being a little bit more plump was a sign of like wealth and you know, success, like way back in the day. So I'm trying to bring that back. But I'm trying to bring it back. So I'm you know, blazing the trail as always. But Brian's lawn care cuts fake grass. Such a diva. Yes. So all of our grass is fake. We actually have what's the artificial grass? Turf. Like golf course turf, right? It's all fake. Everything's fake. Everything's staged. We actually don't run a business. That's why I vlog all day on Instagram, showing you guys my real photos and my real videos of us really mowing lawns. But we have this fake business that it's been around for 16 years now.
Yeah, I get that.
It's
I get
all
like,
fake.
Corey, when's the last time you actually did any physical work? And I'm like, all the time.
Every day.
Every day. But, you know, I get that. Brian doesn't even cut grass. I'm like, well, boy, it looks like he is on his video.
Yeah, well, so I don't know if they know this or not, but we actually have a new partnership with Dove for Men soap. So it's something I'm very excited about. I've been working hard for the greater community, right? A bunch of dirty people out there, and we don't want a bunch of dirty lawn care people, because apparently we all get dirty, and I'm the only one that doesn't get dirty. So my secret is Dove for Men soap. So Brian's 10 worldwide.
Are you getting commission on that?
I should, but hey, if you know somebody at Dove, like, call me. Like, have your people get in touch with my
Such
people.
a diva.
I am such a diva.
Anyways, guys, we're just having fun. We get a ton of comments, and the truth is 90% of what goes out there is pretty much positive.
Yeah.
We sure hope you guys find value in what we do. We're just playing and having some fun today. We do get a lot of hate, and unfortunately, you know, that's what social media does today. I feel like most of the hate is a reflection on them and not me, and so I don't let it consume me. You know, a good friend of ours, Stan was over, and I was talking to Stan, and you know, and Stan said something that I've been trying to do. He said, anytime somebody leaves me something super negative, I just say, hey Joe, hope you have a great day.
Right.
And then they don't even know what to say. So
Yeah.
I'm trying that. But so if I get in an argument with you on Facebook or Instagram, maybe I'm just having a bad day. But most of the time, I just want the best for you guys. I want the best for your business. I want everybody to succeed. So if you want to throw hate at me, we can take it.
Yeah.
I sleep pretty good at night.
I honestly
for 4 hours.
I honestly would say, like, just try to get a little bit more creative, like saying you suck. I already know I suck. You know what I mean? like come up with a little bit better.
I know my
content.
shirts are tight.
Yeah. Like, I already know my videos are bad. I know. I'm working at it every day, just like you guys are. So you're not gonna tell me anything I don't know. And you know what? Just appreciate you guys as always. Hey, we always say, Corey, all advertising is good advertising, right? And then we also say that all engagement is good engagement. So if you guys,
All press is good press.
yeah,
Is
something
that
like
what
that.
they say? I don't
Yeah.
know if that's completely true.
Yeah, I don't know, but you know, whether you thumbs down the video or you thumbs up the video, thank you. I appreciate that. And,
Yeah, guys, we appreciate all the fun.
Yeah.
Social media is a crazy game out there, but anyways, put that negative energy, put it into your business. I think you'll get better results, and we appreciate the comments. So bring the hate, bring the love. Either way, we'll keep doing what we're doing.
go get them, guys. We'll see ya.